यहाँ पर दिख रहा है आपको। तो भाई यहाँ पर ये वाली लिंक हम कॉपी करेंगे और यहाँ पर पेस्ट कर देंगे, जिससे कि हम अपनी लाइव जो है देख पाएंगे। तो भाई यहाँ पर लिस्टेड है तो हम लिंक से ही देख सकते हैं, बाकी प्ले करते हैं। तो भाई यहाँ पर देख सकते हो जो हमारी लाइव है वो यहाँ चल रही है बढ़िया वर्टिकल में। तो आप लोग सोच रहे हो भाई ये वर्टिकल में, लेकिन ये सब क्यों दिख रहा है भाई? पीसी में इसी टाइप से दिखती है लाइव, वर्टिकल वाली हो या कोई भी हो। तो मैं एक काम करता हूँ, आप लोगों को फ़ोन में यहाँ पर चेक कराता हूँ, उसके बाद बताता हूँ भाई ये वर्टिकल में हो भी रही है या नहीं। तो भाई यहाँ पर मैंने यार मोबाइल निकाल लिया, तो यहाँ देख सकते हो आप लोग कि मैंने यहाँ वर्टिकल लाइव कर दी है, और यहाँ पर मैंने फ़ोन में भी यहाँ खोल ली है। तो देख सकते हो आप लोग जैसे कि हमारी ये जो वर्टिकल लाइव है वो यहाँ पर दिख रही है, हमारा ये जो चीज़ खुली हुई है वही दिख रही है। अभी मैं इसको मिनिमाइज़ करूँगा तो यहाँ देख सकते हो आप लोग फीड में अपने पीसी की मदद से तो भाई कर सकते हो। तो गाइस आई होप आप लोग
Hello, hello, hi, hello, am I audible? गाइस मेरी आवाज़ आ रही है कि नहीं? Hi, hello, am I audible? गाइस मेरी आवाज़ आ रही है कि नहीं? I am audible. Hi, hello, am I audible? गाइस मेरी आवाज़ आ रही है कि नहीं? I am audible. Hi, hello, am I audible? गाइस मेरी आवाज़ आ रही है कि नहीं? I am audible. Hi, hello, am I audible? गाइस मेरी आवाज़ आ रही है कि नहीं? I am audible. Hi, hello, am I audible? गाइस मेरी आवाज़ आ रही है कि नहीं? You hear? Hi, hello, am I audible? क्वेश्चन को विजिबल करें मेरी आवाज़ आ रही है कि नहीं? You hear? कैमरा then show कर Hi, hello, am I audible? क्वेश्चन को विजिबल करें मेरी आवाज़ आ रही है You hear? कैमरा then show कर क्वेश्चन को विजिबल करें Yeah, discussion. No, 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 no. Yes, it is. No, yes, takes yeah, positions. No, 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 no.
So let's start. First,
Yeah,
okay.
positions.
So we will be covering these 24 DSA patterns, right? In 20. So let's start. First 4 days. Okay. So we
So
will be
today
covering these 24 DSA patterns, right? In 20. So let's start. First 4 days. Okay.
so
So
we
we
will
will
be
be
covering
covering these 24 DSA patterns, right? In 20. So let's start. First 4 days. Okay.
so we
So
will be
today
covering
these 24 DSA patterns, right? In 20. So let's start. First 4 days. Okay.
so we
So
will be
today
covering
these 24 DSA patterns, right? In 20. So let's start.
live
First 4 days. Okay.
so we
So
will be
today
covering
these 24 DSA patterns, right? In 20. So let's start.
live
First 4 days. Okay.
so we
So
will be
today
covering
24 DSA patterns, right? In 20. So let's start.
live
First 4 days. Okay.
so we
So
will be
today
covering
these 24 DSA patterns, right? In 20. So let's start.
live
First 4 days. Okay.
so we
So
will be
today
covering
these 24 DSA patterns, right? In 20. So let's start.
live
First 4 days. Okay.
so
So
we will be
today
covering
these
okay
24 DSA patterns, right? In 20. So let's start.
most of them
First 4 days. Okay.
so
So today
understanding
these
you have to
24
know
DSA patterns, right? In 20. So let's start.
lock my chat or is it
So today these
understanding you have
24
to know
DSA patterns.
understanding you have to know okay so now I will be solving questions that solved solved up till seventh question. Now I will be going for sub-array product that is less than k. First, I need to make sure it is the sub. We need to find sub-array product that is less than k. Okay. So given an array, integer nums and integer k, return the number of integers sub-array. So we have the number this. We have the array of these numbers, and we also have this 100k. So we need to return the contiguous sub-array. Contiguous means the number should be one. There should no gap between these numbers. So 10, 5, 2. We can we have to take like this. Not we cannot take 10 into 5 into 6. That will be not contiguous. So we have to basically we have to go continuously. Like 10 into 5, 50, 50 into 2, 100. So that would be our target value, that is k is equal to 100. So we need to return number, that is count of this contiguous subarray where the product of all the elements in subarray is strictly less than k. Okay, less than k is the important thing. So we need to traverse this. We can use a recursive approach. So if the product is less, which one? First we need to see the number is from 1 to 1000 and k could be 0. So what we'll be doing is if k equals to 0, we will be written 0. Okay. And for what's next is that we have this nums array and integer k. We'll be creating a recursive function for that. So we need count. So what we will do is we will create a recursive function that will give us count. We will be passing our nums array or target, that is k, and we'll see what is more things required. So in recursive program we need to look for the number that is, we have to recurse up till n digits. So if I equals to n, so this is basic concept of, wait a minute, we cannot take, okay, we have to take contiguous subarrays. So we need to initialize pointers where we have our starting index as well as our ending index. Okay, so we would be having our starting index and our ending index. Okay, so what we'll be doing is, then first we will check if 10 into 5 is less than 2, then we will count, increase the count, and if it is 100, that is not included here, that is 10 into not included as the product, it will be not less than 50. So we will, if it reaches equal to or greater than 100, we will, let me first write this down so that I won't forget. Let's do some commenting thing. Okay, fun, fun. So if product is greater than or equal to 100, we will just return or increment. Okay, or increment. So we'll be starting 2 pointers. Okay, we'll be implementing start. So what we'll be doing is we need to create an integer product which would be 1, so that if a number multiplies by 0, it will be 0, and if the number will multiply by 1, it will become the number itself. So this will be our product, and we will initialize uh, while we need to initialize those 2 pointers first, that is in start. We can do this by slow and fast pointer. We need to do this by 2 pointers. what we can do is what we can do is we can check if we can check from start and from end. So like if no, we need to iterate till here. Okay, so our start pointer will be zeroth index and the uh, end pointer will be at next index. What we will be doing is while start is less than n, which will be nums length, and n is equal to nums dot length. Okay, so here we will be doing while our start is less than nums length, we'll be multiplying these numbers. So what we can do is for start start should be less than, what we have to do is start is less than, and if our product becomes greater than equals to k, then we do it's I n k k k, so